Hey guys, very good morning to all of you. So I'm on my site and today I'm gonna show you how electrical wiring is done on your false ceiling and on your ceiling. So I'm gonna show you the exact process how it's being done because it's being done on my site, and yeah, this will be a very informative thing for you all. So let's go ahead and see how it's being done. So guys, here you can see the framing for the false ceiling has been done, and the wiring that they have taken from the slab and they are putting on the pipes for the wiring. So wherever they have left the point, they will be pulling the wire from these pipes and a point will be left on the false ceiling so that a cutout can be done later on, and our downlights can be installed over there. So according to how much cove light you want to install, or how many downlights you want to install, you have to predetermine it and make a plan of your electrical layout and then share it with the electrician. So guys, this is for the people who wanted to see how they pull the wire throughout these pipes and everything. So this is what they do. They tie the entire wiring and everything onto a single wire, then they put the wire inside these pipes and then they pull it. See, now the red wire is being pulled by this. It's kind of like stitching, but yeah, fairly different, but yes, that's how you pull it. But you have to be quite arranged and in a systematic way so that the wires don't get tangled in themselves. So now you can see they have left the point 1, 2, 3 and the 4, and one more point will be there for the cove light. So yeah guys, that's how you have to leave the point first before the ceiling is done, and there will be a circular dome like ceiling coming in the center of this entire false ceiling. So yeah, this is also a very important process before you do the gypsum board and put on the gypsum board on the framing. And guys, for the wiring we are using Polycab. It is one of the best brands, and yeah, you get these packs of 90 meters. So here are these. So these are the wirings that we are using over here. So these are all the wires, and he is pulling it from there. One more thing, I want you to meet Zankar Gupte.
Hi.
So he is my partner in crime. I mean partner in site. But yeah. So yeah, we are doing this site together, and obviously I wouldn't have been able to do this site alone.
Thank you.
So yeah, very experienced guy. And if I'm not here in Mumbai anymore, then this is the guy to contact. Very brilliant one.
Thank you.
Yeah. So yes, always try to have good partners in your site who can help you in various things, because I have other things also to do. I'm doing my full-time post-graduation also. So yeah, it gets really hectic at times, but yeah, you should always have some good people around you and with you to work along on your site. So over here what we are doing is we are calculating the lights, how much lights we will be needing over here, and they are also doing the same.
हाँ, तो इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि 2 ले लो इसके। चलेगा ना? मतलब एक अभी 383 का आपको दिया, तो उसको मैं डालता हूँ, मतलब चलो 15 एम्पियर का लेता हूँ।
15 का 230 हो जाएगा।
हाँ चलेगा, दैट इज फाइन। 15 अगर आप 12.5 बोल रहे हो तो मैं 15 दूंगा, तो चलेगा मुझे। 15 एम्स टू 2, ठीक है।
ड्राइवर कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं?
वो जैसे मीटर के हिसाब से करते हैं।
अच्छा, तो मतलब समझो कि मेरे पास 10 मीटर
10 मीटर का 10 एम्पियर ड्राइव
10 एम्पियर का ड्राइवर लगेगा.
मिनिमम.
मिनिमम.
ओके. और अगर अपने को
बाय ड्राइवर्स ऑफ सैफरन कंपनी.
ओके.
हाँ, that is a detailing
Okay,
that
so
you should know.
he's suggesting Safran company for
For all LED drivers, you should only buy the LED drivers of Safran company only.
Yes, and he's sponsored also by Safran, I think so. So guys, he was suggesting the drivers based on his experience because Safran company's drivers are actually good. They last longer, and we have used those kind of drivers on many of our sites. So yeah, use good quality drivers, that are very important. Or else your LED strip, like people complain, you know, these LED strips though they don't work, they just, you know, they just stop working after some time. But if you have good quality drivers, your LED strips will last for years, and that is a very important thing you should keep in mind always. Buy good quality drivers and calculate the ampere of your driver, like, you know, how many ampere of driver you will be needing for what length. So guys, this was the entire video of electrical wiring, how the piping is laid out, how the wiring is pulled, and how the drivers are selected and everything. And I will try to keep updating you as much as I can, because, you know, sometimes we are very busy discussing things on site and there are many decisions that we have to take every day on site. So yeah, it's not always possible to, you know, keep vlogging and to make, you know, the vlogs also and to keep the decisions also. So yeah, sometimes it goes haywire, but I will try my level best to keep you updated and try to show you as much as I can and share my knowledge and share the on-site knowledge and the progress with you all. So go ahead and hit a like and subscribe to my channel, guys, and I hope I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.